Once signed into your Google account, and you'll see your name up here, in order to create a Google Form, Google Doc, and access your Google Drive, you're going to click the Apps icon, and you're going to find Drive. If you need to go to More to find what you're looking for, you can do that. This is everything that I have created. So in order to create something new, I would go to Create, and it's going to give me some options. You've got Document, Spreadsheet, Form, and some others. So for now, to create a form, I'm going to click on Form. I get to choose any kind of theme or template that I want. So I like this blue one here. I'm going to go and choose that. I can title my form. So for now, we're going to say Test. Okay. And then I can choose to require an NISD login here. And I can go ahead and create questions. Notice when I add an item, I can choose to add a scale, so ranking something from 1 to 10. I can choose multiple choice, paragraph, just a short amount of text, checkboxes, so the options are limitless here. I can make that question required. And then when I'm done with that question, I'll go to Done, and I can move questions up along the page so that I can order them in the way that I would like. And when you're finished, you want to make sure that you are accepting responses when it's time, so you can turn it off if you want to turn it off. And then I'm just going to go to Send Form. This link right here I can copy and stick in my NetSchool page, or create a QR code for, and my students can easily access the Google form. And I'm going to click Done. So using the link, I'm going to go ahead and post the link from the form just created. And I'm going to see, here's my form. It's a 1-question form. Do you understand how to create a Google form? And at this point, I hope the answer is yes. So I'm going to click yes. This one I should have deleted. And then I can go ahead and submit my answers. And that's what your kids will see when you send the Google form. Notice that here you actually have the option to embed the form, tweet out the form. So it kind of depends on your purpose. And I want us to notice now when we go back to the Google Drive, which you can get there from your form, you can get there like we did earlier. Now I will see that I created test. I created test, and you're probably going to want to make a very clear title so you can find it. And here I can see my responses. So after all the kids have submitted, you can go to responses, and so far I have option 1 and yes. You will want to make student name probably your first question, so that here you will have a timestamp, all of your students' names, and the responses. And of course there would be all of the questions here on your table. You can then print this and keep it for documentation or future reference.